Well, the day is finally here. Finally gonna finish this project today. We started this project, it's been over a year now.
Yeah.
But today we're finally gonna finish this up. I got the engine back together for like the 4th time. I think it's finally right. And what we're gonna do is rewind a little bit right now, show you the steps, how we got to this point. At the end of this video, we're gonna try starting it up and hopefully be driving this thing around very, very soon. Had to have a block machine and had to have crank ground, new piston, new rings. So we gotta put it all back together, get some paint on it. We're trying to get this thing done for the big show.
It's like 3.5 weeks away.
What do these do?
These are gonna snap in, goes in there. You see the groove inside there?
Yeah.
They snap into the groove. For a small tractor, this year has been a big project. We had to do a complete rebuild on this engine, and we had it together and back apart 4 different times.
You see what he's doing, Emily? So you don't want the gaps in each of them to line up, because then the compression is going to go right straight through.
Just making simple mistakes, putting it back together. That's how this kind of project goes sometimes. Got the engine all painted up for the 3rd time. Brought the tractor back out of the storage shed. Getting ready to put this thing back together. Finally here it runs. I can hardly wait. Well, today we're gonna finally get this tractor put back together. Got our engine all done. It's finally time after about a year or 2.
Finish this project.
Turn that key on right there. See what happens. Well, this is crazy. It's actually blowing out of the carburetor and sucking into the exhaust. So somehow or another, when we put this back together, we got the timing off. Good news is the engine's got to come all back apart. What do you think about that, Emily?
It's great.
Got to come all back apart, don't it? Hey. Gotta pay attention when you put these engines together. So for the 4th time, we take this engine all back apart, put it back together again. I don't think we could have made any more mistakes putting this thing together.
Teamwork makes the dream work. No, teamwork makes the wheel horse. It still doesn't do that much though.
And I go like, boop.
And then I go, whop.
Between the 2 of us, we get like a half a turn. No washing machine go on here?
Washing machine? I mean, like, if they're not on there, it must be. You get your 2, I get my 2. Right? Okay, which one am I doing? Those 2, the one's closest to you. Oh.
Hopefully this is the last time.
Ready?
I can't wait to hear this thing run. Finally. Why don't you try giving her a start? And it's finally running. So excited. Quick little magic tune for Papa Al. Kick in the carburetor and the governor setting. And this thing was running like a little top.
Oh, look at that. It's like a finishing touch. Yeah.
Yeah, it's running so good. I think I'm gonna try just driving her home. Drive all the way back, couple mile ride. So, let's go. This has been a great project for our family. If you watched this whole video series, thank you so much for your support. We plan to do more with this tractor project in the future and take it to some shows. So if you haven't already, please subscribe for future updates. And as always, remember to smash that like button. Thanks so much for your support.